Hello then, welcome to 7 Stars. On today's episode, you learn how to add a wallet in your back office. First of all, put your username and a password. You need to log into the 7stardonation.com. Press enter. You just go on financial on the left side. Click on withdrawal. You're going to register your wallet for you to make a withdrawal. Click over here on profile. That means you're going to add your wallet. You click on update wallet. You are going to receive your email address. Okay, you need to use your financial password. Go to the email address. Use the link. Just click over here. Okay, you're always going to receive a link for you to change or add your wallet. You just click over here. Okay, let's set now. You just drop over here your wallet and you put your financial password. Click on update wallet. Update wallet has been successfully. And now what you do, you just log into the back office again, log into your account, enter. Now we go into financial again and you click on withdrawal, and here's your wallet. Now you are eligible to make a withdrawal, and it will the minimum withdrawal is $25, and they will charge you a 6%. Okay, based on a fee. And it takes about up to 1 to 2 hours for you to receive in your wallet USDT Polygon. Your wallet must be USDT Polygon. Thank you so much, you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, share this video with other people, and I'll see you on the next episode.